Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica's World Championship Sprint Relay representative Michael Campbell, who sustained injuries in a car crash this morning, is still in hospital. However, it is unclear how the rising sprinter will be impacted physically and emotionally after the Hope Road tragedy claimed the life of his close friend and teammate. Here's Jermaine Brown with that report.
20-year-old Michael Campbell ran the third leg in the heats of the men's sprint relay in London, but was replaced in the final by Johan Blake. It was a stunning season for the former Mayday and Jamaica College sprinter. In his first full year as a senior, he improved from 10.43 seconds last year to 10.07 seconds over 100 meters this season and finished a creditable fourth at the National Senior Championships to book his ticket to London. When our sports department got to the University Hospital of the West Indies on Sunday, members of the UTEC MVP group were present, along with persons from Jamaica College, where Campbell completed high school in 2016. His mother was also there, as concerns and fears swirled around the hospital. Also present was Paul Francis, a member of the UTEC MVP coaching staff.
He appears to be reasonably stable, banged up a bit. And the doctor has reported that there, amongst other things, he has a injury to his spinal cord, his back, a fracture. But he should be okay with some rest, moving along.
It is understood the car was being driven by Jordan Scott, another member of the UTEC group. Scott, a former Mannings and Petersfield High student athlete, is said to have been trapped in the vehicle which caught fire before claiming his life.
Jordan is a University of Technology student athlete, as is Michael Campbell. Jordan just started third year. He comes from Petersfield in Westmoreland. He trained in his first year, got a stress fracture in his toe, and gave track a break for a year. He had announced to me very positively that he would be reporting for training tomorrow morning because he had fully healed and was ready to return to the track. But unfortunately, that won't be so.
Francis is also hoping that this latest tragedy will be another wake-up call for all athletes.
At this time, I think I'm old enough to understand that there are things in life we can't control. However, I am here thinking about what are the measures or the means that we can actually utilize to create some kind of positivity from the negatives. That is, so that others will understand that they are flesh and blood, that being careful has no cost, because one would have hoped that after the unfortunate accident with Jermaine, which cost his life earlier this year, that at least for a period of time, that youngsters, particularly similarly inclined in athleticism, would have had that in their heads.
Scott was 22 years old. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.